Alright guys, welcome back. Today a guy at the shop phoned in today and he said that there's something for me to go pick it up, so I can't wait to go see it. I wanna bring you guys in and then show it what I got. It's about 2 minutes drive, so it's not that far. So let's go check it out and then see what we got. Alright guys, we're almost close. We're almost here. This is the place. And you've probably seen this place before if you guys follow my channel. I was here before picking up a head. Alright, check it out guys. The head is back. Nice and clean, polish. Brand new intake valves. They've been lapped and gap. See at the back here. Super clean, way better than before. So this is the old one, the old intake valves right here. Yeah, here's the old intake valve. The shop said these intake valves are bent. It's probably slightly bent because it skipped about, it looks like 4, almost 5 tooth. That's how much the intake cam skipped the sprocket gear. So on the, when I bought it before the shop, it seems like it's seated right to the bore of the head, but I guess if you pressurize it, it leaks on the intake valve. So that's the old one. I got the new one in already, so this is good progress guys. About 4 days in the shop and finally they got it done, so this is a good progress. Let's go open this up and let's see what kind of cleanliness that we can see in here. Wow, that looks pretty clean, man. Here's the intake port. It looks super nice. Yeah. Flip it over on the exhaust. The exhaust one is the worst and this one is really nice. Close up on the intake port right there. You can see the new valves. She's shiny. And then exhaust port. We use the same exhaust valves on the exhaust because the exhaust is fine. Nothing wrong with the exhaust. Yeah, this is nice. It's a good work in progress. Can't wait to install this, and we'll be waiting for a couple more parts coming in. Thanks for watching.